Welcome to my channel. This here is a Timex clock, alarm clock, I should say. That's the reason why I bought this. I found this in with my early camping gear, and it's the only time watch I ever owned, and I always loved this guy. It worked very well. I never had any problems waking me up or afraid that it might not function or wake me up in the mornings. It's battery operated. It says here Timex quartz, and it doesn't really say much. It's where you put the battery in. I stuck the battery in there, and over here, before I say it, let me really look at it, because it says here, let's see if we can see this. It does say Korea. Isn't that weird? Timex quartz, Korea. And I think that's what the little buzzer comes out of when it does beep. It says snooze light. It used to be a little red thing here on the side. It used to go in. If you can look in there. There's something there where that you hit it and you went into a snooze type of thing, or a little light would light up. I remember this. I must have lost it. It's probably still around. If I ever see it, now I know where it belongs. It's one of those things that you see, you don't know where it goes to. What I liked about it is it's pretty neat the way it stands. Let me see if I bring it back a little bit. It's very easy to play with, or to actually do what you needed to put your time in. Let's see if you can see that. There you go. It's got the alarm on or off. I should say it's off now. On, that will put the alarm on. And there you see the little alarm, little thing coming on. The icon. The mode, either you lock it, which I like, or you set it. And now you can change the time with these here, the hour, minutes, and seconds. You can change it. Then you just lock it and it gets locked up. This here displays the time and the alarm time that you have on. I have it right here. It's at 7 a.m. and if you leave it there and you set it, then you can change that, and then of course you'll lock it. And this is the time. I don't think it's the right time, but it's giving me the time. It sits here like this nicely. I really trusted this to wake me up. I didn't need to wind anything. Over here, I believe it's got instructions. Let's see. Yeah, I think it tells you. I think if I bring it back a little bit, I think you might be able to. It's no big deal. It's kind of tells you operating instructions, how to set the time, how to view the alarm, do this. We already went through that. But to someone that doesn't know, the instructions are right here. Love this guy. I'm glad he's still around. Forgot all about him. And it falls like this. You can tell it's kind of been around, that's for sure. And it's the only alarm clock I ever had, actually. I took this whenever I needed it. And it's got no model number. Doesn't have anything, actually. Just the Timex quartz and the Korea. So don't know what to call this except it's a Timex alarm clock, we'll call it. And we'll catalog this in YouTube so the world could see. And thanks for watching.